Howdy, howdy. Welcome back to another video. We're going to try and get a little quick backtesting session in for y'all and for myself. Just going to see if we can get stuff right and try to learn where we're wrong. So this is this is NQU 2023, random day, September 4th, 2023. Skipped all the way to like 10:30, and we're just gonna try and take some trades. I haven't really backtested on here that often while using actual sell and buy, so we'll see how that goes. Otherwise, it'll just be good to get some data into what kind of trades we could take and what to expect when we take them. So let's get it. We'll start with ×1. I like this. Little S&D responsible. I'm looking for it to trade back in. But if we already flipped bearish, coming down here somewhere. But let's see if we could get involved somewhere here. These aren't valid pullbacks. Alright, I'm gonna pause right here real quick. One time this feels fast already. This isn't a valid pullback. This isn't either. This is a pullback here. So we'll see if we fail this low. All right. On a lower time frame, you know, there's trades in here, but we're practicing the 1 minute, so looks like we're in a little range action. Pretty much just gonna wait for it to break out. Closure, double top, maybe come down a little bit lower. On a lower time frame, I think there's trades right here. Hold on. Shit's fucking fast, bro. We're gonna mark out this area here. This technically had a closure right here. Tap back. So we'll see if we could take a trade out of here. Can't set no limit or nothing. Oh boy. See. Oh shit. Oh, that was an accident. Oh my god, bro. I did not mean to take that. Okay, now I think we're, let's see, stop loss below here. Take profit up here. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out or what? Nice. This shit is too fast, bro. How come it feels fast? So we'll pause right there. Kind of hard to see but we're in this range, broke out, and I was expecting a tap back into this pullback that's responsible for the break of this high. And then we have this range here that we could potentially take a long from as well. If we break this SNDR, we'll come down and mitigate the origin, is my thinking, not financial advice. So let me set up something like this. Like that. See what happens. Finger on the trigger. Oh shit. Oh no. I can't put my stop. Damn, bro. I mean, obviously this is kind of clumsy. I'm not used to backtesting on here. But this is technically what we're going for. We do have this double top. Tap back in, create a double top, take out these lows. We'll see. Currently, already in profit, so I technically can move my stop up to make sure this doesn't turn into a loss, but let's see what happens. And if we zoom out, obviously going down. Have some mitigation that needs to happen down here eventually. So, hold on, are we already in the Asia session? What the fuck? Yo, is this a holiday, bro? That's crazy. This is like Labor Day or something, huh? Wow. Well, that would have been good to know, but let's see what happens anyways. Let's go 1 times. Oh shit, I didn't even put my take profit, bro. Look how clumsy. Look how clumsy this is. So I'd probably take profit already, but there we go, 1-to-1 delivered. Got a break of the range, tapped back in, and then we got a run of all these lows. I probably wouldn't be in this trade. It's fucking nighttime already. Weird, market closed at 1 o'clock, it looks like, so definitely a holiday. But this just goes to show you that this shit still works, no matter what. So let's keep going. Broke out to the downside. So we have this whole range right here. And then we have this supply and demand responsible. So we're gonna try and take a trade out of here. Obviously this is nighttime, so let's see. Asia session rather. Alright, I'm actually gonna skip to 210. Fuck. Aw, it takes my trades away, bro. This is clumsy, bro. Oh my god, bro. Well, we'll just go to another day. Clearly I don't fucking use TradingView that much anymore. Dude, bro. I'll go back here to 1030, 1040. Alright, let's go. We got this break. Tap back in here. Let's see if we can get a trade down here somewhere. Not the prettiest price action. Looks like we're in a range. So we might want to focus. Okay, there we go. Let's go ×1. Pause. Another break. Let's see if we could take a trade right up here. 1-to-1. It's kind of clumsy. I have to like pause it and go put my stop loss in. So we've already had 3 pullbacks coming up on this high. This would be a break in structure on a higher time frame, I believe. So I'm looking for a trade down here. Slow it down. Let's see, tap back in. I really want it down here. I don't know if it's gonna respect this one. Got a reaction out of here. And then in here, there's some intermediate structure. Probably could take some trades off of it. I guess we did have a break of this low. This is a valid swing. Back into the range. This high, wicked above. So really, I didn't participate in any of this. We got a reaction out of here, didn't quite tap the 50. but you could see this candlestick structure right there, and this one right here. And then after this, we could have got involved right here. Oops. Wouldn't have taken this. This is a valid swing. Quite come back to the 50 for that one, but could have took this tap, didn't come back. Could have took this tap, but at that point, if you count your swings, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then let's see, this one's valid, so you still would have got a 1-to-1 up here, but then you get the reversal. This is a pullback. So I didn't really get involved here. I was looking for price to come back down here, and then that would have been my next trade. But I guess, you know, trying to zoom through price action, I should have slowed down and looked at some of these. This is the end of the day. Failed to take the high. Broke down here. Let's see. Let's see if we could get a trade. Hold on. Too fast, bro. Stop loss. I guess I would put it right here. Target the 1-to-1. Let's see. Nope. Stopped out on that one. Looks like we're still intermediate. Tap back into the 50, and this is running the show. So potentially maybe we'll get a trade out of here. Oh shit, I would have got stopped out already. Stop loss. Go for that 1-to-1. Negative. Failed this high. We might be going for this low, actually. Yeah, I mean, I'm not claiming to know fucking everything about the market. Just trying to take trades that I recognize and then figure out where I can't do it. So we failed this high, failed again. So I'm thinking we'll come take this low and this low. Reaction off the 50. Reaction off this range. And so potentially this low is the target. So if that's the case, we will, let's see. Let's see if we can get one right here. 1-to-1. Tap back in. Oh, it's already late in the day. Fuck. Well, you know, the goal is not to just be green when you're practicing, it's to learn something. I hope some of the things that I ran through maybe helped you guys have some light bulb moments. There was a lot of structure in here, intermediary structure, that we could have got involved in. I basically ignored it because I was looking for the bigger trade down here. But this is pretty much me practicing market structure and just trying to follow narrative. Got the break here, came back in, didn't create a new low. So really we're just in this range. So I should have been, yeah, I don't know, bro. Came back and tapped this. Because this was mitigated already. Didn't need to come lower. Tapped in here. And let's see what we have. Right there. So a couple missed opportunities. I don't really like fucking backtesting on here. The drawings are a lot better, but it's just so clunky going at ×1, having to pause, setting my stop loss up and shit. And I'm sure there's a better way. If there is, let me know down in the comments. I don't know, point out some stuff that I missed. Let me know what I missed. Let me know if you learned anything. Maybe ask some questions and I'll try to help. But again, this isn't financial advice. This is something that you guys should be doing inside your charts as well. And you know, don't pay attention to this. Pay attention to the narrative and ability to see things. Like this didn't hold right here. And you know, you're not always gonna fucking win, but it did respect this range here, so could have took a trade here. Anything else? Nah. Let's do one more day. Gotta be a faster way, bro. Wednesday, September 6th. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get to like 11 o'clock. I know there's fucking faster ways to do it. 10, 30-ish. All right. Times 1. Broke this low. So we did end up targeting this low. And then so I'm expecting a range down here, because after you break a higher time frame, higher low, a lot of times you go into a range per what Dave says. So let's see if we can break out. Otherwise, on a lower time frame, you could probably take some trends between the highs and lows. Okay, let's see, we broke the low. Actually do this. So we did break out right here, tap 50. Let's see, not the strongest close below or anything, but let's see if we could take a trade out of here. Tap, sell, stop loss, take profit. Let's see. Let's see what happens. So that 1-to-1 worked. Ranged for a bit. This became a valid swing point once we got the body closure down here. Tap back into the 50. Made another swing point with the body closure. Came back into the range. Took a trade. Just did a limit order. If you're waiting for candlestick structure. Let's see. Maybe right there. Enter somewhere in there. Let's keep going. So we tapped in. Really looking to make a new low. Alright, failed to make a low. There we go. Alright, now we have a new range. A new swing point. 1, 2, 3. This is a third. So we'll try to take a trade out of here. Might be able to take a scalp out of here as well. Sell. Stop loss above the zone. Take profit down here. On a lower time frame, you could look for look for the reversal pattern, and then you put your stop down here. Obviously you were a couple points from the 50 just by market ordering, so it's not exactly 1-to-1, but let's see if we can get the 6.75 points. There it is. Quick, 6 points. It's $100 right there. And then so let's see if the rest plays out. So I'm thinking we will, you know, get a tap out of there. Come down, make a low. But ultimately, I'm looking for a trade up here. But this is the 4th swing, so not sure if the probability is, but I'm gonna take it. So, have one over here. We're gonna go for a 1-to-1. Obviously, that's a huge fucking stop. Using one mini. But if you get comfortable with the zones and your probability of taking the right zones are good enough, shouldn't really have to worry. Can move your stop into profit. There it is, 1-to-1 delivered. My bad. So just a quick run through. Just basic market structure. Second swing point, tap of the 50. Third swing point, tap back into the range, scalp. And then you get another tap back in. And so I'm gonna expect the lows, but you don't know. I'm not gonna hold for the lows. Maybe when I get better, or who knows, maybe we could just fucking go up from here. Getting into the afternoon, let's see if we're missing something. We have this swing, tap, this swing, tap. So really, until we break this high, we're not really bullish. Skip. So we're already in the afternoon, wicked above the high. Let's see. I didn't really see anything that's familiar to me down here. I was expecting the lows. Tap back in. Got a nice trade out of there. Didn't make a new low though. And then just in this range. Let's see. I don't even know if I should mark out this high. This high is not really an important high. Didn't put in any new lows. Order flow changed for some reason that I don't know. But yeah, I don't really see anything that's for me in this area here. It's out of my weight class, dog. So I'm gonna end the video there. Appreciate you guys for watching. I hope maybe something I said could be an aha moment for you. This isn't financial advice. I'm not a master at DTFX by any means. I'm not even profitable yet, but I do believe that I will be profitable in the coming months. Just got to keep studying and practicing. A couple things that we learned. Fuck, did all that shit go away? Okay. Didn't really take notes. You probably want to take notes in your own back testing. But in this range, we broke out, got a quick scalp, but ultimately didn't deliver higher prices and stayed in the range. Oh, this was a holiday. Forgot. Broke to the downside. Didn't quite return until the next day. And then dropped off. Skipped to 10 o'clock. Here there was some nice market structure. Tap back in. There's candlestick structure in here. Candlestick structure shift. The second swing. Got to tap back in. Candlestick structure shift right here. And then there was smaller swings in here we could have took some trades out of. But like, you gotta find, or I gotta find, which ones I'm focusing on. And obviously I think this day I was looking for that bigger trade that was down here, and it never really came back until over here. But I guess it was mitigating something, or it was just taking out this low. So this I would have got stopped out, I think. But this was the important or no, this wasn't even an important low. We didn't put in a high. So that's really some advanced stuff that I'm still gonna have to learn. But we skipped to the next day. Made some nice little swing points in here. Broke the range, tapped back in. Took the second swing. We took the tap, but there was also a candlestick structure shift you could have waited for. Broke out of this second swing point, tapped back in for a scalp. Got another 1-to-1, but it could have even just been a scalp. 5 points there, 5 points here. And that was a pretty good day. And then it started doing stuff that I'm not too familiar with, so just got to leave it alone. So appreciate you guys. Hope this video wasn't too long. Hope you guys picked up some gems. If not, leave some comments below. Appreciate you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.